Hi guys, I'd like to welcome you all on CodeMonkey channel, and today is the great day because today we celebrate the beginning of the CodeMonkey community website, and here it is. So it's the home page, and from here you can navigate along the side all over. So there are links in the above the above nav bar, navigation bar, as well as in the footer part also, so the same links just for your convenience to be sure you get where you want to, and also some doubling links. So if you say want to navigate to free software, which I'll talk about just in a moment, you can do it here, you can do it here, you can also go home and you can get it here. So our community products like that. If you want to have some business inquiries, you can press this learn more button here or here, and I'll cover this just in a minute. And in case if you want to see the main part of the site, the community kind of sort of chat here, so the place where we can interact with each other, it's available in the community and in the start communication. Absolutely the same thing over here. So the reason for creating this site is actually to make a place where we can gather all CodeMonkey cans together in one place. And the most key point here is actually this some sort of a chat. So it's absolutely anonymous, no need for registration. So like it's always really annoying when you want to post your thought, and in order to do this you had to tell your email, create a password, remember that, and all this stuff, and that's really weird when you want just to say like, okay, hello, I like this, or can I have this feature or something like that. So it's probably like the best option is not to have that weird registration and just be able to kind of anonymously chat over here. And of course you can sign your post if you want if you want the others exactly to know who has actually posted this. So this is kind of it. And also let me introduce this community free software page. So here available some programs written by either by me or by the members of our community. So a couple of chess programs. This is my Changlide, sorry, the USI chess engine written from scratch, written by self-learner from scratch. You can either view the source code here and be redirected to GitHub homepage, or you can just press the download button here and also redirected to GitHub, but to the releases in this case. And also well, some programs doesn't have source code, like Bravehack Designer by Antonio Ferreros say, well, only the download link available here. Well, by the way, Antonio, if you mail me the link, that I would probably kind of add this for sure reason. As far as this is the database request, so like this kind of entries are stored in the database, so it's not about to create a new HTML view and using CSS styling like that. No, just simply add in the item to the database, a new object, and you have a new element over here arising like that. So lots of interesting programs. You definitely should have take a look if you are fond of free software and some hobby projects, hobby programming in C, etc. And also this useful back button allows you to actually go back. Yes, so you don't really have to remember all of these times, all of these tabs immediately. Like, so you always have the back button. So the author page briefly describes actually who I am, and it introduces also my email, and the got it button is acting just like the back button, like this. Also, you can see my email on the first page, the home page over here, and to the left you have the link to my entire GitHub repository in order to like kind of make an idea of what kind of developer I am, what projects did I accomplish here. I'd also try to navigate within the project, navigate to the issues tab if there is one available, in order to see some positive feedbacks on my work, something like that. Okay, now just let me go back to CodeMonkeyKins site. Another tab is donations, and here I would really like to thank these guys who supported me financially for the last couple of weeks, and it's really thankfully for these guys this site is now actually created and it's deployed. So they supported me, hence I had some free time on doing this. Well, I mean, I really thank you guys. So it was really cool to get that support from you. And if you want to donate the CodeMonkeyKins channel, you can do this. For now, the only possible way is actually via the Fiverr gigs. The reason for this is this might not be the most convenient way for you, but I don't have a PayPal account, and I can't have one because in Ukraine, I'm from Ukraine, PayPal is not available as a service. And these two gigs are my professional gigs. I'm making money on them, and this one is actually for the donations. If $10 is too much for you, I'll make this last to $5. It's not available less than $5 for Fiverr doesn't allow this. It takes 20% fee for the service, hence the $5 is the minimal price that you can set to your gig. Well, if you want some business inquiries either here or from the landing page over here, pressing this learn more button, well, in this case it would be redirected to exactly the same page. And if you are wondering about what can I do for you professionally, please feel free to check out my Fiverr gigs and just all the services described exactly as it is, basically. So in case if you like this site, if you like the design, if you like the functionality, navigations, something like that, please feel free to make some business inquiries to me, and I'll make the site of your dream. At least I'll try to do my best. Okay, so did I want to say something more? Let me just remember quickly. Well, probably the most important thing, and last but not least, is I really ask you guys to leave your feedbacks and commentaries in this page, in the community tab. You know, like, it's very important to me to hear your feedbacks, and I would really appreciate if every member of CodeMonkeyKins community would take a time to write just a couple of words over here and to press this pause button here. Well, and I would be glad to read your commentaries and to answer them or whatever. So this is kind of it, and I hope you'll enjoy kind of surfing along this side, and also enjoy the communicating, interacting over here. So have a good time, guys, and take care.